Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. So in the previous two episodes, I actually showed you how to do equal stage beginning. And for today, I will show you how to do equal stage end. So without further ado, let's get right down to it. Ahmad and Brenda had 246 stems altogether. So this 246, I will circle it and I'll point to the word altogether. Ahmad gave some of his stems to Brenda. So this is key information, which is why I'll actually underline the entire sentence. As a result, Brenda's stems became 3 times her original number. So this goes to show that the original number is 1 unit, and Brenda's stems in the end became 3 units. So these 3 units I will point to Brenda. And the next sentence is, the two friends then had an equal number of stems left. Or rather, they had equal numbers of stems each. So after Ahmad gave some of his stems to Brenda, 2 friends became equal. And in this case, we can safely say that both friends, they both had 3 units in the end. Then the question is asking, how many stems did Ahmad have at first? So I'll bracket up, I'll underline Ahmad, I'll underline at first. So having done the basic annotation, I will get right down to the highlighted portion and I will follow my BYROG. So B for blue, Y for yellow. Ahmad gives some of his stems to Brenda. R for red, Brenda's stems became 3 times original, her original. O for orange, the 2 friends then became equal. And G for green, Ahmad at first. So for this question that actually involves a transfer, an internal transfer between 2 characters, right? This is actually called total unchanged, which also means total the same. But for the purpose of this question, I will just use model drawing to show everyone how this can be done. So I'll just be using the equal stage end method. So I have Ahmad and I have Brenda. And how I'm going to do it is, I'll actually show that both characters, they have an equal number of units in the end. So I'll draw a nice rectangle, then I'll slice it into 2. Thereafter, I'll extend my line up and my line down, and I'll write the word equal. And since they told us that Brenda's stems became 3 times her original, I will indicate in my model that in the end, Brenda has 3 units. And I also show that Ahmad has 3 units in the end. So the question is trying to tell us that as a result of receiving the stems from Ahmad, Brenda's stems became 3 times her original. So this goes to show that her original stems is only 1 unit. So I'll indicate over here with the blue color brace, that's her original. And of course, I will want to shade in red 2 units that must have came from Ahmad. Which also means that I will return the 2 units back to Ahmad. So I'll draw another 2 boxes for Ahmad. And this shows that at first Ahmad must have 5 units and Brenda has 1 unit. And I know that I'm correct because in the end both of them have 3 units. We actually say that the total units, right, is 6 units. So when I draw my model, I will also show that both Ahmad and Brenda had 246 stems altogether. Then when I indicate for Ahmad at first, I will make sure that I show that Ahmad has 5 units and Brenda has 1 unit. And I will actually draw this swing arrow to show that Ahmad must have given away 2 units over to Brenda, which caused him to have 3 units left, and for Brenda to have 3 units left in the end. So this question is actually very simple, because from the entire model I can see that 6 units, which is their total, 6 units is 246. And if I go down to find 1 unit, it will none other be 246 divided by 6. And if I key this into the calculator, it will just be 41. Yes, the answer is 41, but 41 is not our final answer. What they want from us is Ahmad at first. So Ahmad at first is none other than 5 units. So if 1 unit is 41, the final answer for us has got to be 41 times 5. And if I key this into a calculator, it's actually 205. And there we have it. The final answer is 205. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for watching Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. Take care everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.